Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 5, this is your maths lecture. Exercise number 1C. Today we will solve page number 14 and question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Value of part A. The value of part A is 720,856 multiplied by dash is equal 720,856,000. Now student, first we will solve 720,856,000 divided by 720,856. Now we will divide as 1. 720,856 we will cut from this value and 0 0 0. Okay, so now student, the answer is 1,000. Okay student, now we will check our answer. Now we will multiply this value 720,856 multiplied by 1,000. We will write 30. Then we will subtract 1. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal 6. 1 multiplied 5 by 5. 1 8 is 8. 1 0 0. 1 2 2. 1 7 is 7. So the answer is 720,856,000. Understand? Now part B. The value of part B is dash multiplied by 100 is equal 43,869,500. Now we will solve. First we will divide 100 43,869,500. Now we will divide 400 3 8. Now we will write 6. 100 3s are 300. Now 6. Now we will write 9. 800. 5. Now we will write 600. 9 5 0. Now we will write 109 are 900. Then 5 0. We will put 0. Next digit is 0. Now 500. So the answer is 4,386,000. Sorry, 438,695. 695. Understand? Next step is part C. The value of part C is 45,200 multiplied by 20. Now we will multiply it by 20. 45,200 multiplied by 20. Student, here is a short method. First we will count the 0 and we will write 0 1 2 and 3. We will write 3 zeros. Understand? Now we will multiply it by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is equal 9. So the answer is 904,000. Understand? Now part D. The value of part D is if 158,695 is divided by 10, the remainder is okay. Now we will divide. We will check by dividing the value. 695. So 10 1 is 10. Next digit 2. 10 5s are 50. 2. Next digit is 6. 10 2s are 20. Next digit is 9. 10 6 are 60. Next digit is 5. 95. 10 9s are 90. 5 minus 0 is equal 5. So the remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. So the answer is 5. Understand? The next question. 358,800 divided by 100. Now we will divide 100. Value is 358,800. 101 is 100. 102s are 200. 103s are 300. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 0 is equal 5. 8 minus 0 is equal 8. Next digit is 8. 105 500. Now 8 8 0. 108s are 800. Next 8 0 0. 800 minus 0. So the answer is 3,588. Understand? Now question number 2. And question number 2 is state whether the following are true or false. Part A. 3 multiplied bracket 9 plus 8 bracket close is equal 3 multiplied by 9 plus bracket 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied 3 multiplied by 8 bracket close. Student, first we will solve 3 multiplied by 9 plus 8. First we will solve left side, that is 3 multiplied 9 plus 8. First we will solve bracket. 9 plus 8 is equal 17. 9 plus 8 is equal 17. Now we will multiply it by 3 multiplied by 17. 17 1 is 17. 72s are 34. 17 3s are 51. So the answer is 51. Now we will solve this part. first we will multiply. 3 multiply 9 is equal 27 plus 3 multiplied 8. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 21 and 3 8s are 24. Now we will add this value. 24 plus 27 plus 24. 7 plus 4 is equal 11. Take carry. 2 1 3. 3 plus 2 is equal 5. So the answer is 51. Now the statement is true because right side is equal left side. This is the answer. 51 and 51. So the statement is true. Understand? Now part B. The value of part B is 7 multiplied by 6 bracket close multiplied by 2 is equal 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2 bracket close. First we will solve, then we will know is this statement is true or false. We will solve left side, that is 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2, and this side 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2. 6 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42 multiplied by 2. Now for 7, 6 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. Now we will multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now read the table. 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60 and 12 7s are 84. So the right side is left side is equal right side. Answer is correct. Now the statement is true. So this statement is also true. Understand? Now part C. Value of part C is 4 multiplied by 8 minus 6 is equal 4 multiplied by 8 minus 4 multiplied by 6. First we will solve. 4 multiplied bracket minus 6 bracket close is equal 4 multiplied by 8 minus 4 multiplied by 6. 4 multiply bracket. First we will solve the bracket, that is 8 minus 6 is equal 2. Now 8 4s are 32 minus 24. Now we will read the table. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 32 minus 24. Now we will subtract. 32 minus 24 is equal 8. So student, this statement is also true because left side is equal to right side. That why statement is true. Understand? So the answer is 8 is equal 8. Now student, associative law is true for subtraction. Yes student, I have already discussed about associative law and I have already told you associative law is true for addition. So the statement is wrong. Statement is false. Understand? Next, dividing two numbers always leave a remainder. No, that is false statement because sometime comes remainder. Okay, so the statement is false. Student, hope you understand the lecture. If you have any problem regarding this lecture, you can ask me any question in question answer session. Today is your home task. Practice question number 1 and 2 on your register, exercise number 1C and page number 14. Understand? Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home and stay safe.